got some fresh new young talent doing some things that I know you haven't heard before.
1, 2, 3, listen.
What are you doing?
A man doesn't love his shoes. Honey, I have to get a shot of that.
Get it.
Yeah. And here's a typical Las Vegas couple right here. You know, I wish I would have got the door slam on film.
We can redo it. Back up.
You got out of town.
Back up. I did.
We might be canceled tomorrow, are you saying?
Snowstorm, sleet.
Yeah, how was the snowstorm?
I didn't have any snow. It was barely a little bit foggy this morning
Huh?
when I got to the airport, but nothing going on.
Tomorrow.
No, tomorrow. It's coming in tomorrow.
So-
Right, exactly the heart of it is.
So you leave Wisconsin and you still can't get rid of your friends? They're
They follow me everywhere.
So,
Or I'm
yeah.
following them. I don't
It's
know.
just-
So you got a lady that won and you were just able to get in here now? What happened in between?
Well, mainly my phone wouldn't work. And I had to bring it for you. Because I think it's perfect.
Oh, yeah, it's perfect.
Oh.
It's perfect. Can you see that?
No, I don't have my glasses.
And you know what's even more perfect than you
Are
can
those-
imagine? is that it's on a beach with palm trees.
Yeah.
We've decided the Southwest's a little cold for us.
Oh,
Florida next year.
Is that what I
Wow,
think it
that's
is?
awesome.
Are those like cards?
yeah.
Yeah,
Oh, it's perfect.
yeah.
Because, they're so
this is-
personalized.
Okay, so Mark, not only can he not hear, he can't see either.
Right,
So
right.
how does that working for you two?
No, it looks good because when I want to see, I pull up my glasses.
And when he wants to hear, he
And when
says,
I wanna hear,
what? And I
I-
say,
I wear my hearing
said. He's got his hearing aid
Yeah,
on,
that's the problem you had when you were calling. I needed it to go into my hearing aids because we were out in a noisy area, but it was going, oh, you want to go to your Bose headphones. No, my Bose headphones are in the rig.
at the
I
rig.
want to go, so I'm pressing the button and I hear
Trying
it.
to
I couldn't
disconnect.
figure out what the problem was.
Yeah, anytime you call me, it takes a while to figure
Well,
out.
then
what's
I
happening.
decided maybe text was just easier. Somebody would get the message.
Yeah, between the four of us.
Between
This
all
is
of us,
great.
our phones for dating.
Isn't it cute?
It's very
Yeah.
cute.
The money on my mind, a great deal of it will fix me all I've ever desired. The money on my mind, I count it every time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I count it. Ooh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 24, 7, and I stack it. Driving in my car, fake and I inhale it. Our party's going down, and everybody's counting 1, 2, 3, 4. Jumping on the floor, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Running around, hustle and bustle. In paper we trust to give us all we need. We're falling down, giving up on decency, filling our pockets with empty dreams. Filling our pockets with empty dreams. Scattered all around, collected for the fun, much as I have. Wanna get more, need my house, my plane, my car. Oh no. Wow! Come on, move along. I said, baby, I know you're on a roll. Sweet honey, let's take it real slow. You know we got what you need, baby, so take it, move along. I said we got what you need, honey. Come and groove along. Come on. Rolling on the highway and ease up. Wow. Come on and groove along. Come on.
So here we are in Henderson near Las Vegas, and we are at the Ethel M Chocolate Factory. Ethel Mars taught her son Forrest, the founder of Mars Chocolate, how to make gourmet chocolate candy. Forrest founded Ethel M Chocolates in 1981, and it's been the finest and most gourmet chocolates within the Mars Chocolate brand portfolio. Here they have a self-guided factory viewing aisle. Unfortunately, nothing was going on the day we were there. We had an Ethel M chocolate tasting experience, which included a bit of education on how chocolate is sourced, refined, and produced. And we were also taught the subtleties of chocolate tasting and flavor identification. I never realized there were so many different flavors that they're working with. All right, one setting is here,
Okay.
and
No,
Brian's
Linda
taking
Linda
them.
gets first choice. It was her birthday.
It was her birthday.
Happy birthday!
So we're divvying up this
Right,
leftover.
oh, you know what? I think I'm going to take the peanut one.
That was better than I thought.
I know. I like the
What are you
peanut
going
one.
with, Sue?
Pecan. And we just had a tasting tour, and now we're gonna walk through one of their other things they're known for is their cactus garden. Chocolate and a garden. I am in heaven. Let's check it out. So right next to the garden is a solar farm, I guess you could say, and that goes along with the chocolate factory. So once we're done with the garden, we headed back in to make some purchases. And actually, I have to say they were quite generous with the sampling. Mark, I think it's time.
Honey, there's a time. Every once in a while, you gotta throw up the OGM drone.
Here we go.
Throw it up nice and slow.
We're doing a drone. Marco,